For decades, global payment giants like Visa and Mastercard ruled the digital economy. But now, something extraordinary is happening. A homegrown solution from India is shaking up the global system. Meet UPI, the Unified Payments Interface, a silent force rising from the streets of India to the cities of the world. UPI is a revolutionary real-time payment system developed by the National Payments Corporation of India. With just a mobile phone and a QR code, anyone can send or receive money. No cards, no swiping, no middlemen. In India, UPI has become the financial lifeline. From chaiwalas to CEOs, over 10 billion transactions happen every month. And now, UPI is going global. In Singapore, you can pay using UPI via Pay Now. In the UAE, Indian travelers are scanning QR codes to pay in rupees. In France, Bhutan, Nepal, and Sri Lanka, UPI is entering everyday life. What started as a local payment app is becoming a global financial force. So why are countries choosing UPI over VISA? For one simple reason: efficiency. Real-time settlements, near zero transaction fees, no dependency on traditional banks. A mobile-first experience for merchants, it means more profit. For governments, it means digital sovereignty. And for users, it's fast, easy, and borderless. India is now in talks with the UK, USA, Australia, and Canada to bring UPI to their citizens and tourists. This isn't just about technology. It's about trust. It's about India leading the global fintech wave. A new world is forming, and India is at the center of it. Will UPI replace VISA worldwide? Maybe not entirely, but it's already changing the game, giving people more control, more freedom, and a better way to move money. From the streets of Mumbai to the cafes of Paris, UPI is no longer just India's story, it's the world's future. If this inspired you, like, share, and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful stories, only on Paula Fernandes Worldwide.